Guys, it has been so long after putting a video on my channel. That's why I am right now putting a all new video on my channel. I am just gonna make a video of my house and its surroundings. These are all of my plants which I have. And if we look over here, there is full greenery over here. And over here we will pour some water over here at this little bucket thing, and every day lot of birds come and bath and also drink water because it's summer right now. These are all my plants. Because there are a lot of goats coming, we guys have put a net over here. That's why no goats are coming till now. Some plants are over here also. And on the walls. And as you know, this is my car parking, and this is like almost like a private road. And I have some captures which I took with my phone on the birds bathing and all.